1. Put on the jeans. This method will only work if the jeans haven't shrunk so much that you can't put them on. If you can put them on, do so, but leave them unbuttoned. It's okay if you can't pull the jeans up as high as usual. 2. Fill a bath with warm water. The water should be warm, not hot. The water will loosen the fabric and threading. Fill it up enough so that your jeans are completely submerged in the water. 3. Sit down in the tub while wearing the jeans. Soak in the tub for 30 minutes to 1 hour, or sit there until the water turns cold. You can just sit there or use your hands to gently pull on the fabric while you soak. 4. Hang the jeans up to dry. After you have soaked, get out of the tub and use a towel to pat off the excess water. Then, take off your jeans and hang them up to air dry. Try them on once they've dried to make sure they fit properly.